Suppose we want to highlight a row based on a specific condition. Let's say we want to highlight row 2 into the E2 cells. If the status is excellent, this row will change into green. And if the status is good, this row will change into yellow. And if the status is poor, this row will change into red. You don't have to do this manually because Google Sheets provides this function for you. You can do this automatically by using conditional formatting. I'll show you how. First, let's go to the format options here and then select conditional formatting. After that, at the apply to range, select the data range here. Let's select the A2 to the E column. Don't forget to delete the number of the column because we want to apply this condition to the whole E column, and click OK. At the Format Rules tab, select Custom Formula Is. At the Value or Formula column, let's type equal sign and then select E2 or just type it to E equals open double quotation mark and then type excellent. Okay. And at the formatting style like this, click it and select green. And then, if you want to highlight the whole row from A2 to E, you need to add the $sign here at the column. Most people forget this step, so add the $sign here like this, and you can see that this row has changed automatically from A2 to the E2 cell. Okay, and click done because we're done for excellent categories. And then add another rule here. If you want to add another color, let's change the excellent into good. And at the formatting style, let's make it yellow. Okay, it applies automatically. And then add another rule again. If you want to change the poor into red, just follow the process like this. Click done, and then your conditional formatting is done. If you change the condition to poor, the row change into red, and so on. It's very easy, and I believe you can do this instantly. That's it. See you in the next video.